back to my channel, and thanks for tuning in again, and I hope you've enjoyed everything so far. So this look is Bowie inspired for me, but it's really an explosion of colour. It's about having some fun, it's about doing whatever you feel, whichever way the colour takes you, and just enjoy. There's no wrong or right with this, and the one key thing you will need is a cream palette with lots of different colours. And I use the Makeup Forever palette, the Flash palette. Don't use the Cryolan palettes because they're water-based and they will be hard to move. You need a cream-based palette with lots of different colours. You will also need some powders the same colours as your creams, just to set the look. Because when you use cream, you put powder on and it will hold it. Apart from that, guys, have fun. Make sure you've got some wet wipes and Q-tips. And please, I really want to see what you come up with, because you can take it whichever way you want. But this could be a great thing for New Year's Eve, or just for going out, you know, just have some fun. And I will see you next time. Please let me know if you want anything that you want me to do, and let's see what I can come up with for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Now, if you know me, you know I like to get the skin in a really good place, so I'm doing a quick little cleanse with a lotion and taking it off with some mist water. Give you a really good base to start with. I need to put on a moisturiser so everything will move quite easily. Now, starting off with a flat brush, I'm using the Flash palette from Makeup Forever because it's got loads of colours. I'm making a shape. I feel like I'm going to take it out to the side. I feel like it's a little bit sunsetty. I'm adding the orange. Now I'm putting in like the Tiffany blue. And I'm just making shapes and trying to link everything together and make it complementary. It's quite nice that India's got light eyebrows because I don't have to worry about covering them or anything like that, so I can take it higher than the brow. I'm going to powder over the blue because I want it to set. You remember, if you use a cream, you need to powder over it, and I'm doing the same with the orange just to intensify it and just to make it set. It's quite nice when I use this pencil just to give you a nice blend of colour. And I'm going to punch up the blue by the eye and use a pencil. And now I'm going to add in some green. I mean, this is all about fun. Like, I like a bit of pink under the eye, and I'm going to blend that together. All of them are creams until I set them with a powder. I'm going to blend that out slightly to soften the edge. I'm going in, this is all from the Flash palette, with the bright blue, the Tiffany blue again, and I'm just going to follow the shape of the face, maybe take it through the brow and just make a kind of complementary shape around the eye. I mean, I don't ever really know where this is going to go. It's just, I just feel it and just do as I feel. I'm blending it in with a dry brush, blending it out a bit. Now I'm going to go in with some yellow on a fan brush, you know, back over with the blue. Quite nice because you can kind of merge the colours. Now, I always kind of like a pink, and I like to do circular shapes to kind of work with the shape of the face, but it's really down to you. You can do stronger, harder shapes. You know, always blend with a dry brush and just fade everything out so it looks a bit soft. As you can see, I'm powdering that in again. Little arrangement of colours there. Going back in with the blue pencil, any blue pencil, it really is about what you like. Now I'm going to do a bit of contouring, a bit of cheek. I do this all underneath before I put the base on. It just sculpts the face for me slightly. You can do funny shapes if you want. There's no rules because you're going to blend it all anyway. I like to do this all underneath so it looks undetectable. Or I thought I'd go back in with the eye and do a little bit of an opening, should we say. And just blend things in with your finger I just like having these bold colours and popping on a little bit of base. You know, I'm going to put a little bit of powder under the eye because I want to make it soft, like it's falling. And then we have it, a colour explosion. Now, when you do something like this, it's great to put on a wig. And this is a wig I got from my friend. I'm wetting it down a bit, just because it's kind of like a bit Blondie meets Bowie. You can kind of do stuff when you do bright stuff like that. And there we have it, a colour explosion. For a quick way to shop all these products used in this video, visit Shop My Shelf. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.